I'm going to use the Hot Fix Rhinestone kit to bling up my shoes. So come along and join me as I make them all pretty. In the kit, there's a bunch of the different rhinestones, and so I'm just going to use some of those. I picked out a bunch of the clearish ones, the silvery ones that I thought would go with the shoe as well as make it all sparkly. As I'm beginning to work on the shoe and adding the rhinestones, I realized that the shoe doesn't have anything inside of it, so when I go to push down with the tool, it's pushing the shoe in, and so it's not really getting enough heat onto the gemstone, in my opinion. So what I started doing was just putting my hand inside and putting my finger underneath where the rhinestone was being attached. Downside of that is it's hot. So after I did the shoe, when I went to complete the second shoe, I did go and get myself a thimble. I have a metal thimble, and that helped a great deal. I placed the thimble on my finger and put my hand inside the shoe and pressed the thimble underneath where the gemstone was being attached.
Oh, man.
Well, that happens. There, that's pretty. Just so we know for future reference, get a thimble to do this. Whew, it's hot. It's beautiful. I want to thank you for taking time out of your busy day to watch my video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing to my channel, and of course, click on the little bell to receive notification every time I upload a new video. I'll put a couple of videos here for you to watch while you're waiting for me to upload a new video. Thank you again, and happy crafting.